Imagine a massive cargo ship arriving in Shanghai's port, containers stacked like giant building blocks, all timed perfectly to unload, sort, and relaunch to destinations worldwide. Yet behind this seamless ballet lies fierce complexity. Every hour of delay costs millions, and one wrong decision ripples through continents. This is the heart of supply chain logistics management, where physics meets business strategy in a global dance that shapes every product you touch. How do companies master this chaos? Let's break it down. The first secret, it's not just trucks or warehouses, it's how every player's role interlocks. Think teamwork on steroids, but with robots and data. At Shanghai's Yangshan deep water port, managers coordinate cranes, trucks, customs, and shipping firms so tightly that 30,000 containers move daily without major backlog. It's like a well-rehearsed orchestra, where one wrong note stalls a whole symphony. This story shows how assigning clear, interconnected roles prevents gridlock in real-time logistics. Imagine a Swiss watch, countless tiny gears perfectly interlaced, each depending on the other to tell time. Supply chain logistics uses integrated roles much like these gears. Warehousing, transport, and information flow mesh so tightly, they transform individual slowdowns into a smooth, continuous motion. Without this, delays cascade and compound. The payoff? Companies like DHL reduce shipping times by 25%, slashing costs because their teams function less like isolated silos and more like a single, harmonious machine. Coordination isn't just neat. It creates resilience and real competitive advantage, turning potential chaos into a profit-generating engine. Next, we tackle the lifeblood of supply chains, how goods and info pulse through the system at breakneck speeds without losing track of a single piece. FedEx's story leaps out. Their global tracking system scans packages every few minutes at hubs in Memphis, Paris, and Tokyo, mapping each parcel's flight path. Real-time data keeps shipments moving seamlessly, avoiding delays that once grounded planes and snarled customer deliveries. This example highlights how precision tracking drives velocity. Think of logistics flow like a high-stakes highway system. Velocity is how fast cars move, but visibility is the radar showing every vehicle's position, letting traffic controllers prevent crashes and bottlenecks. This analogy reveals why it's not just speed, but constant, clear information flow that keeps goods rushing efficiently. The transformation. Companies like Amazon maintain lightning-fast delivery with minimal stock wasted on shelves or warehouses. Faster flow reduces hidden inventory, the invisible cash trapped in goods sitting still, unlocking billions in working capital and turbocharging customer satisfaction. Finally, how do companies fight to win in a brutal global logistics battlefield? Strategy is the secret weapon, blending risk, cost, and customer promise. Zara, the Spanish fashion giant, reshapes supply chain strategy by cycling from design to store shelves in just 2 weeks, lightning speed compared to traditional months. They tightly integrate suppliers, factories, and distribution centers, enabling rapid adaptation to trends. This story shows how smart strategy beats just throwing money or scale at the problem. Managing supply chains is like walking a tightrope between cost, speed, and risk. Lean too far one way, and you face stockouts or excess inventory. The book breaks down this balancing act using simple visuals showing how companies constantly measure and adjust to stay steady and profitable amid global uncertainties. The payoff? Agile companies sidestep disruptions faster, like natural disasters or tariffs, by rerouting shipments or shifting suppliers midstream, turning vulnerability into strength. The insight here: winning global games isn't about size or spending more, it's about nimble, smart moves executed flawlessly. Remember the Shanghai port's perfect dance from the start? Every container, every roll, every second of visibility folds back into that image. Supply chain logistics isn't just about moving stuff. It's about orchestrating a vast, complex system with precision and agility. Next time you order something online, think about the engineered flow behind it. Try this. Map the flow of a product you use daily and spot tightropes in balance. Your own logistics homework. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.